Hello children, welcome to the second chapter of Moral Science class for Standard 4. Today we are starting the second chapter and the topic of that chapter is Parents are Precious. In your book, the subheading is given as Penitent Rishi. So what do you mean by penitent? The word penitent means to be sorry for having done something wrong, to feel sorry for doing something wrong. So in this story, you are going to find the main character, a little boy named Rishi and his aunt and uncle. So this is the story of only 3 characters. So I am going to give you the summary of the lesson. Rishi was a little boy who lost his parents in his early age and he started living with his aunt and his uncle. He was given all things that he wanted but did not give him pocket money. He used to give his helping hand to his family members like the other children. One day, Rishi's aunt found his bed untidy and asked him the reason. But Rishi answered very rudely to her aunt and demanded for pocket money. That day, he left for school without doing any housework. He found a note on the dining table when he returned from the school in the evening. The list of things that his aunt does for her is given in page number 11. So, he saw a long list written by his aunt to him about the things that she does for him every day. He went through all the list written by his aunt. After reading the list of work, he felt ashamed for himself for being very rude and his misbehavior. So he ran to his aunt, hugged her and asked pardon for his mistakes. His aunt made him realize what a family is. Every individual should understand each other as we live in a family and ensure him to grant him pocket money whenever he needs and suggested him not to do any work for granted. We should do work wholeheartedly and we should enjoy while doing our work, not for the sake of trade. At the end, they went for dinner together very happily. Now this is the end of the story. Now from this story, what you are going to learn from this story, the moral value of the story is, our parents want us to protect us from every danger. Whatever they do in order to see smile on our face. They sacrifice their time, their life to nourish us and to make us a perfect human being. So this is the moral of the story. I hope you have understood the lesson. Okay children, now you have to go through this story once, read it nicely and try to understand, and you are going to get more moral values from this chapter. Not only that, you will be getting the notes from this chapter, so you have to complete it in your copy. So this much for today. We'll see in next class.